Approach Photoshop today with the energy of someone entering a haunted laundromat where garments whisper stories about ISO settings. Open your chosen photo and declare dominance. Then summon the liquefy filter, not as a tool, but as a reality-bending wormhole allowing you to gently nudge facial features like a mischievous witch rearranging furniture unseen. Push, pull, and swirl with restraint, unless you want your subject to resemble a startled balloon. Switch to the pen tool next. Treat it as a ceremonial dagger used to carve sacred selection paths around objects. Click, click, click like you're attempting to summon a deity of vector precision. Once the path snaps closed, convert it to a selection and separate your object like you're smuggling pixels across a border.